What is up, y'all, and welcome back to Qui Nichelle on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all see, baby, he driving. We're on the way to Lens Crafters. Baby is getting an eye exam, and then we're both getting glasses. Before we get into the vlog, make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Babe, slow down. But anyway, we are on the way to Lens Crafters, and as y'all can tell, y'all, I went back short, very, very short. I love it again, just like I did the first time. The only thing I think when I go short, I think I need color. I think I need to go back like red or maybe like a ginger. Oh, maybe ginger. Like a 350. That's like a gingery red, orange kind of color. I may do that actually. I don't know. But I love my haircut. Baby cut it this morning. And yeah, I think it's shorter than the very first time, but it will grow so fast. I'm not even worried about it. But I do love a short cut. But I'm just riding in the car right now, and I'll be back with y'all in just a second when we get in Lens Crafters, y'all, because baby is driving this car. If y'all cannot tell the way the phone is moving and all of that. Look at him, y'all. I guess that's his driving face.
Myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. Myself. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Oh, what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine.
Okay, y'all. So we are leaving Lens Crafters, and we're gonna go to Five Below for me.
Merry Christmas.
Y'all, he been getting on my nerves. Oh, son, kiss.
Get him.
Y'all, he been getting on my nerves the whole time. We were sitting up there in Lens Crafters. Look at him, y'all.
No, it's all the way around. She was getting on my nerves.
Anyway, I'll see y'all at Five Below.
Something about you that makes me wanna say and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say hello. You're trying to leave. How I love to keep you here with me, your baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say hello. You're trying to leave. How I love to keep you here with me, your baby. saying, yeah. Oh, yeah. I gotta give a game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh, yeah. Oh.
What's up, y'all? So we are at home, as y'all can already tell. Honey, I came home and threw on the moo-moo. And I said, okay, let me go ahead and show them the little crafty stuff that I create or whatever. So that's what we're doing on this one. Me and baby did go to the eye doctor. We both picked out the glasses that we want. And we will do a glasses reveal or show y'all the ones that we got, whatever, when they do come in. So I decided to go ahead and show y'all in this vlog the custom stuff that I make, and to know if y'all want me to start doing it on the channel or not. Never really thought about recording it because I don't do it like a lot, but whenever I feel like I want to do something or customize something, then I'll do it. But I'm going to show y'all the few pieces that I have done or whatever. So this is the very first one that I think I done, or this ain't the first one, but anyway, I got this off of TikTok, the little where people was doing the Nike but changing the eye to like some kind of little character or some, you know, something cute like this little poodle. So y'all, I got this hat at Walmart, just a little random little denim hat. The hat was about $5 or $6. And I had the hat way before I even thought about doing this. But there's the end. The little poodle is the I-K-E. So real cute. Then I thought about it. Let me put a bow on the back. Just something different. I didn't see nobody do the bow. And then I didn't see nobody do a hat either. But I thought about, let me do a hat. I did see them doing the sweatshirts, and I have done those. I'm going to show y'all everything that I have done this little Nike get down to, and some other little random stuff too. So y'all, this is the first one, real cute. Love this, and like super girly. Then I showed y'all my purse when I got it, I believe. And y'all know the purse charms are really, you know, doing this thing. So I put all of these on there. I think I may have shown y'all this purse, but I put the little keys and the locks. Love the little bubblegum machine, the hot chilies, honey. And this chain, I don't know, I had it already. And then I had this from something else already as well. And I just clipped it on. And of course, it came with the strap or whatever. So this is something else that I like customized. Real cute and girly. I'll show y'all a hat that I did literally like a couple of weeks ago. So cute, y'all. And I got this hat and all of these patches at Hobby Lobby. I got the pins off of Shein. And I just thought, let me go ahead and jazz a hat up. And that says glam. Real cute. This is another denim hat. But of course, this is like the acid wash. Love how this turned out. With the limited edition. Cute in for Qui Nichelle. And then of course, these little pins. So freaking cute, y'all. I have not worn this. And then the cherries, honey. So cute. I haven't worn this at all. Oh, I gotta get the jacket, y'all, that I gotta finish. Give me a second. Okay, y'all, so I went and got the jacket because I literally forgot about the jacket until I saw that hat. But this is my jacket so far. So freaking cute, y'all. And I have not finished it yet. But y'all can see all the little iron patches I done. The little pins, I put the spikes in there. And I ordered all of these like iron-ons on Shein. So I love music. Real cute. Then the little kissy lips, a little butterfly, rose. Just some random. And y'all know I have this tattooed on my arm. So I love like girly skulls. So cute. Got a little rocket. And then, let me show y'all. This is the other sleeve. And then let me show y'all the back. Now this is where I need some more, cause I got a real big one on the back. As y'all can tell, it dropped down. Let me raise it up. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so y'all should be able to see that. Real cute, but y'all can see that it is coming off. So this did not have like the iron-on sticky, so I had to put an adhesive. The adhesive really did not adhere to this denim, so I'm gonna go in with a different type of, there y'all go. I'm gonna go in with a different type of adhesive. Then I just have like sugar skulls at the bottom, sunflowers, and a diamond. So I really, really, really love how my jacket is turning out. But again, it is not finished. Then I have this, which I done recently. So it's just literally a gray sweatsuit from Walmart, about the end lightning bolt KI at Hobby Lobby. So that's cute. And then I got this one. I put the eye on this one, y'all, because I think that pearl, and those are pearls if y'all can see up close. So cute. Again, just a sweatsuit from Walmart. Nothing too fancy. Oh, I got another bag. Y'all know that I had to jump on the trend, honey. Y'all know I'm a girly girl anyway. Y'all know I love my bags and all of that. So I showed y'all that I have the Walmez, honey. The working, real cute. This is one of my newest babies, but I went ahead and put a chain on it, and you know, some little get down, real cute. So yeah, I like that. Y'all know I'm like uberly girly. Y'all already know. And then I did this the other day. I was gonna do this on camera with y'all, but I got bored and just did something. So that's real cute. Again, got the hoodie from Walmart, and then I got the iron-on patches from Hobby Lobby. So those are cute. And then what else? Oh, I did this as well. And y'all, I just wanted to see if I would, if I could do this. I did a phone case, a junk phone case. And it's like with the resin. And I'm going to order some bigger charms. These are so little, but I'll let y'all see them up close. And this is a pop socket, y'all. That's not a charm, but I gotta have a pop socket on every phone case so I can hold my phone without like dropping it. But it's real cute and girly. I showed y'all this in the Shein haul. But then I just put all kind of little girly stuff around it. So my next case, y'all, I'm gonna do bigger charms or whatever. But I still like how this turned out, and this is the case that I'm carrying right now. So y'all, I'll be doing a lot of like little crafty stuff, random little things or whatever. If I see some on TikTok, honey, that I think that I can do and that I think might be cute, I'm gonna jump on it and, you know, make it do what it do. But yeah, so that's really it. Y'all will see me trying on a lot of glasses and stuff, of course, in the beginning of the video. And like I said, when my well, when me and baby's new glasses come in, I will show y'all both. But that's really it. I just want to give y'all as much content as I can and bring y'all with me wherever I go. But y'all, that is the end of this little vlog. I hope y'all like all of the little vlogging that I've been doing and my little creations and things. So y'all let me know down in the comments what's y'all favorite piece that I created or whatever. And is that something y'all will be interested in? Or do y'all already craft and do little things like that or what? But y'all, that is the end of this video. Also, let me know if y'all like me with the short curly hair Or if y'all like when I have like the weave and or whatever like that, or my natural hair when it was longer. Y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments. I think that'll make me look mature, that's for sure. I think I really look my age with a haircut this dramatic. But y'all, I love it, and I'm gonna really love it, like not having to wear a bonnet and all of that. But y'all know I might throw a wig on here and there because the wigs ain't going nowhere. But anyway, y'all, that is it. Make sure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, honey. Because y'all know how we do on the channel. And y'all already know, honey, we are out.